Problems number 7 and 8 from homework worksheet 1-3. 7 says 3 times the quantity of x minus 2 is equal to 5 times the quantity of x minus 2. Some different ways we could look at this here. What I would suggest to you is just going ahead and using that just basic method of taking it here and distributing through on each side there to simplify the left expression and the right expression. So 3x minus 6 should equal 5x minus 10. Let's go ahead and move our variables onto the same side. So let's subtract 3x from each side. And, rather than take it and do another step after that here, I know this is going to zero out. I need to get this negative 10 to zero out, so I'm going to add 10 to this side so that zeroes out. And then add 10 to the other side to keep it balanced. Negative 6 plus 10 is 4, and 5x minus 3x is 2x. In the end, we should get that x equals 2. Let's take it, plug it in, and check it. 3 times 2 minus 2 is equal to 5 times 2 minus 2. Well, 3 times 0 is 0, and 5 times 0 is 0, so we know that we are correct. Number 8, we have 1/5 times the quantity of x plus 3 is equal to x minus 5. Again, a couple ways you could do it. If you want to distribute through first, we'll do that, and then I'll show you another way that you may like better. So 1/5 times x and 1/5 times 3. Well, 1/5 x is the same thing as 1/5 x. 1/5 times 3 is going to give us a positive 3/5. And right now that still equals x minus 5. Okay, so if you like fractions, you can go ahead and continue working with them there. If you don't like fractions, you may want to think back to Algebra 1 and say, hey, how can I get rid of the 5s there? If everything over here is being divided by 5 on the left side, could I take this now and just go ahead and multiply this side by 5 to get rid of the denominators? And you can totally do that. If you do that on the left side, then you can also do it on the right side, right? Because you got to keep it balanced. I shouldn't say you can, you definitely should. So let's distribute this 5 through. 5 times 1/5 is, right, 5/5, which is the same thing as 1. So we have an x plus 5 times 3 is 15. So this is like a 15 over 5, which is going to simplify back to 3. So we have an x plus 3 is equal to, and then we'll distribute this 5 through. We'll have 5x minus 25. Now, we could have taken this at the beginning here and multiplied times a 5 over 1, and then multiplied this side times a 5. It would have gotten us to the exact same point that we're at right now. Next thing, let's get our variables together. Let's subtract x from each side, and then I'm going to go ahead and move the constant terms over. So my positive and negative 25 zero out. My positive negative x is zero out. So we're going to have a 4x is going to equal 28. Therefore, 7 is what the value of x should be. Check it, take it, plug it in there. For time's sake, I'm going to tell you that it works. This is problem 7 and 8. Thanks for watching.